Think about the time when there were only 3 networks on television: ABC, NBC, CBS. That's similar to now, except now it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Hey folks, Eric Cabral here with the Mindado Investment Group. I just wanted to share some quick thoughts regarding social media and its importance when it comes to marketing and branding for your business. So if you think about how we're currently in a time and space where the internet is the most powerful tool to marketing your business. And if you think about attention being the most sought after currency or hard asset, well, the internet owns that asset. So it's hypercritical that you own your own space within the internet. And you do that through social media channels like YouTube or Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. You also have to think about marketing being an engine for your business and branding being the fuel. So if that's the case, then social media is a critical ingredient when distilling and manufacturing that fuel. Branding and marketing your business using social media, and I stress the word using, not consuming social media, is absolutely essential to create real life interactions with people that will help build your brand. So if you're not leveraging these channels, then you're missing out on a powerful opportunity to propel your business. So being a real estate investor, I often go to meetings and real estate meetings talking to investors or agents or brokers, and a lot of them don't understand the power of social media and how to market on social media. Or some of them think it's a fad, and it's not a fad. It's current. It's not new. It's been here for a while. So the best way I describe to them the current climate, to those who don't understand how important it is, I tell them, think about the time when there were only 3 networks on television: ABC, NBC, CBS. That's similar to now, except now it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You know, these are now the new boob tubes, and you see it everywhere you go. People are glued to them. So if that's the case, there's never been a time where you can market and brand yourself as your own star on your own channel. Why wouldn't we take advantage of this? So by doing that, you'll be creating brand awareness and brand trust and positioning yourself as an expert in your field. And all of this leads to crazy opportunities for you and for your business. So keep that in mind. Also keep in mind how everyone is always fighting for people's attention constantly. And you have to cut through that noise by marketing and branding yourself and your unique qualities and your products and services that help people. Doing this will only help you and your business succeed. So don't get stuck with old strategies or old tactics, although those things still may work. Always add new tools to your tool belt. Always. So be ahead of the curve and skate to where the puck is going, not to where the puck is. Old Wayne Gretzky saying. Also, think about how social media is a tool. And if you're not using social media as a tool, well, then it's definitely using you. Thanks for listening to me rant about the importance of social media and branding. Again, this is Eric, and I wish you and your business all the success in the world. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Talk to you later.